How to change Google password. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your browser, whether it was Google Chrome, or Safari, doesn't matter. Just go ahead to your Google browser and click on your avatar icon at the top right, and from there just move along to the manage your Google account highlighted in blue. So now you're gonna see your own settings, right, your private settings. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit personal info at the top, and from there you're gonna see all of your personal information, your birthday, your name, username, or whatnot, and including the password. So you're gonna just see right here password, right? Move along to click on it and basically confirm that you are the person who is using that account. So after you've click on it and confirm that you are using that account, add the new password. Just choose a strong password, and here you're gonna see, if you have iPhone typo, they will automatically suggest the complicated password. But if you can memorize that password, I recommend you to put it in a piece of paper or on your notes or whatever it might be to memorize the password, right? Unless you have a complicated password in mind, just go ahead and do the second one, which is I prefer, because you are high likely you're gonna memorize that password, right? So after you add the password, click change password, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.